guys, in this video I want to be creating this little parking sensor detail we got in the front of the car. Is this square thing here and this tiny here. I'm with one. Let's try a little bit bigger and see what we can inside, and I'm gonna select all these curves and just hit next or build of this tubular offset. And as I have the better surfaces there, sometimes you can get kind of artifacts on your surfaces. This is due sometimes to the tessellation. So if we change this to accurate and we choose a very low number, it's going to take a little bit more time to render. Same for this tiny little below the sensor.